In today's video, I am going to teach you how to upload emails in Brevo. To begin, sign into your Brevo account and look at the main navigation. Head to the CRM section and then open Contacts. This is where Brevo stores your contact database, including email addresses and any other details you track, like first name, company, or custom fields. Once you are on the Contacts page, move to the top right corner and click Import Contacts. This starts the import tool that helps you bring in a list of emails from a file instead of adding contacts one by one. On the next screen, make sure Contacts is selected as what you want to import. Brevo can handle different types of data, so confirming this option keeps the import focused on your contact list. After you verify that Contacts is selected, click Continue. Now choose the option to upload a file. You can use a CSV, an XLSX spreadsheet, or a TXT file. Drag and drop your file into the upload area, or click to browse and select it from your computer. As a quick tip, it helps if your file has clear column headers in the first row, like email, first name, or last name, because that makes the next step much easier. After the file uploads, click Confirm your file. Brevo will then prepare your data for mapping. Next, you will map your data. This is where you match each column from your file to the correct Brevo attribute. For example, the column that contains email addresses should be mapped to the email attribute. Take your time here, because correct mapping ensures contacts import cleanly and your fields end up in the right place. When each column is matched to the right attribute, click Confirm Mapping. Finally, select the list where you want these contacts to be added. Lists help you organize contacts for campaigns and segmentation, so choose the one that fits your purpose. Once you have selected the list, click Confirm your list to finalize the import. And that is all there is to it.